Attention English teachers, even the best of us can slip up when it comes to pronunciation. In this video, we are tackling 7 tricky words that many teachers get wrong, and I'm here to help you master them with confidence. Pay attention to the number 4 and number 5. They will really surprise you. Are you ready to level up your teaching? So let us dive in. Let's kick things off with this word. Many people say saliva or saliva, but the correct pronunciation is saliva, saliva, with emphasis on the second syllable. It's one of those words that seem simple, but often gets mispronounced. Next, we have this word. How do you pronounce it? I hear many teachers say ʻrɛsɪpi or ʻrɛsɪpi, but the correct way of saying it is ʻrɛsɪpi. Can you repeat after me? ʻrɛsɪpi. The stress is on the first syllable. ʻrɛsɪpi. Word number 3 is this word. While some people read it æŋʻzaɪɛti or æŋʻzaɪɛti, the correct way of saying it is enrich. It's very easy to get this one wrong, so listen very carefully and repeat after me. Æŋʻzaɪɛti, æŋʻzaɪɛti. Correct. Now let's talk about this word. It's not parasite as many people used to say in it. It's parasite. Parasite. Get that right and your English will sound much more natural. Here is a very fun word, a very interesting word. The right pronunciation of this word is sesame. Sesame. It's easy to stumble on this, so you need to practice it very often. Sesame. The correct pronunciation of this word is vagina. Vagina is like saliva. So from today on, you know how to pronounce it. Don't get it wrong again. Finally, we get this word. It's not leopard or leopard. This word is pronounced ʻlɛpəd. Leopard. You see, English can be tricky sometimes because it doesn't always follow the spelling rules, and this is a perfect example. You will find a phonetic transcription of each of the 7 words in the description. Don't feel bad if you have been saying any of these words wrong. English pronunciation is tough, but now you know, and that's what matters. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, to share it, and to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Let's keep teaching differently. So see you next time. Bye-bye.